And here's number 5, crosses the midline. Estrella behind the back dribble. He attacks, floater shot, back out. And he's stepping back, spins, fading away off the glass. Back and forth. Bounce pass. Pasqua to the rim. Yes sir, beautifully. And Tadili goes to the rim. All the way, easy bucket. Hey, shout out sa Pamplona, PlayStation. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Cagayan, Apong League para sa laban ng Solana at Camalaniugan. And here's jump ball, Herrera versus number 23, first ball possession. His team fires at 3 off the target. Rebound, Tadili, bumangga. Wala. And Deloria. He pass, Tadili. Tadili with the ball. Bounce pass on the inside. He kicks out. And he's stepping back, spins, fading away off the glass. Back Estrella. He pass to number 14, Pasqua, to the corner. Number 5, Estrella, bounce pass to the middle. Herrera, he spin, hook shot, no good. Shot won't go. And here's number 19, Tanda, 3. No good, rebound, put back off the window. Bucket for 2. Tadili. He pass to the corner. He drives, kicks out. Number 19 to the corner, Tadili. Drip, Cosos, rebound, Tanda, put back. Wala pa rebound. 15, is create space. He pass to the middle, he spins. Fires off the window. Bucket for Estrella. He stop, pass to Bulan. Estrella, pass on the inside. Pinasa sa gitna, Tadili stolen. And Tadili goes to the rim. All the way, easy bucket. Backdoor inbound, Pasqua. Pass to the middle. Oh, what a perfect exec. And here's Tadili. He attacks to the rim. Won't go. And a pass break. Estrella all alone. Easy bucket. Posting up, he kicks out. Cabado for 3. Bang! 3 points, Cabado for the inbound. 1 for 3. Bang! Once again. And here's number 5. Crosses the midline. Estrella behind the back dribble. He attacks. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. Backdoor inbound. Pass number. My foul. And wow! And a baseball pass. And all the way. Big bucket. And the long pass. Here's number 21 to the corner. Hugan, he drives to the middle. Pull up jumper, short. And still rebound. So, tatapikan. And here you go, Cabado side step. Pinasa, ang gandang pasa. Number 1. He bounce pass. Pasqua to the rim. Yes sir, beautiful. And here's Hugan. Hugan to the rim. And 1. May pass to the middle. Pull up Jay. So palpal lang inabot. Behind the back dribble. Iniwan. And here you go, Hugan. No look pass. Pinabitin. And basket. And 1. Cabado. He crosses the mid lane. He pass to number 8. Cabado. Sa 3. Bang! Another 3. And here's number 1. He bounce pass. He's stolen. Here you go. Pass to the corner. 3-on-1 ang laban. Pass. Pass. Here's Hugan. Hugan at this inside pass fires. In and out. And a 1.9. Oy! No basket. That's the end. Team Kamal. Rosendo. Number 19. He attacks. He stops. Kicks out. Fakes. Drives. Bounce to the middle. Corner pass. Pass inside. Delgado. Fires. Oh! Ball is stolen. And it's number 8. Sumigwe beneath Bitlays. And a bucket for 2. Number 10. He pass. All for 3. Bang! 3 points. And it's number 27. Tanda. Tanda drives. Kicks out. Attacking to the middle. Nakalusot. Fires. Bucket. Kinaliwa. Here's number 14, Pasqua. Sumigway. Natama. Boost. Fires. No good. One shot. Won't go in. Pass break. 4-on-1 ang laban. Alley-oop pass. Good. Dagaw. Second. Wala. Ayaw nang tumalon. A backdoor inbound. Here's Pasqua. Pass to Estrella. Estrella to the middle. Bulan. He attacks. Sidestep. Floater. Bucket is good. Yeah. Pass to Bulan. Pass back to Estrella. Estrella. He attacks. He pass to the corner. Wide open for 3. Bang! Crosses the mid lane by Estrella. Estrella Sumigway. Pass to the corner. He fakes. He attacks. Bounce pass to Estrella. The ball is stolen. Here's Tanda. Tanda, he pass. Binit lace. Yes, sir. Pass to Estrella. Pass to Bulan. To the corner. Open for 3. Launch. Off the mark. Rebound. Here's number 2. He drives to the rim. Uso palpal mula sa likod. And the long pass. And 2-on-2. The inbound. He passed to Estrella. Estrella with the ball. And stepping back, he stopped. He passed to Bulan. Bulan drives the pull-up jumper of the free throw. Shot won't go. And here's number 19. He drives, he bumps, he spins. Dumistancia, Tadili open for 3. Off the mark, rebound, put back by Tanda. Negative. And a baseball pass. 2-on-1. He drives, pinasa, easy bucket. Here's Kabaddu, Kabaddu. To the rim, fires off the window, Kabaddu. Estrella. Estrella with the ball. He dribble, he pass to the corner. Wild open for 3. Pasqua, bang! Grip. Number 9. Kabaddu. To the corner, Tadili. Pass to Kabaddu. Open for 3. Bang! Kabaddu! And here's Pasqua. He drives to the hoop. Slays. Bucket for 2. Here's Kabaddu. Kabaddu. Pass on the corner. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Tandolen. Herrera. And a pass break. 3-in-1. Straight to the hoops. Oh, Lagwa for 2. Here's Kabaddu. Kabaddu. He pass. Tanda. Hoops. And he crosses the mid lane. He attacks. He pass to the middle. Lace. Bucket for 2. Herrera. Kabaddu. And here's Estrella. He pass on the inside. Pasqua to Estrella. The floater in a basket. Kabaddu. Kabaddu. He pass to Tadili. To the corner. Sa tres. No good. And ball knocks away. And Tadili. Pass to the middle. Kabaddu. Kabaddu to the corner, sa gitna, floater shot, short, and far put back, and a bucket of the glass. He crosses the mid lane, he pass to Pasqua. Pasqua pass to the middle, Herrera with the lace, and a bucket for 2. Inbound, 1-point lead, and the corner for 3, bang! For the lead! Solana up by 2, and it's Tadili, he drives, he bump, and Delgado fires, tie game. Estrella with the ball. He crossover. He attacks. No look pass on the inside. Ball knocks away, stolen. And the long pass. He saves the ball. E pinasa sa kalaban fires. Oh, bucket for 2. Pasqua for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Bulan. Attacks. Leads. Basket and 1. Tie game. Bulan to Estrella. Herrera. Wow! Bucket for 2. Herrera. Looking for the receiver. He pass to Tadili. To Kabaddu. To Tadili. Tadili kicks out. Behind the back dribble. Tadili. Tadili stops. Fires at 3. Bang! Tadili. Kabaddu to Tadili. Tadili dribbling the ball. Tadili. Creating some space. He fires at long 2. Bang! Bullseye. Herrera with the rebound. Herrera pass to number 26. Bounce pass to the middle. Estrella. For the rebound. Bucket. And here's Tadili. Tadili with the ball. He pass to Kabaddu to the corner. To Kabaddu. One shot 3. Too strong. Rebound. Mapupunta sa Solana. Libreng-libre. Easy 2. And here's number 19. Pass to Delgado. Delgado drives to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And here's Pascua. Dribble the ball. Pass to Herrera. Herrera with the ball. He pass to the middle. Estrella. Estrella, he stop. He pass to number 26. Lagua. Pass on the inside. Herrera. Bounce pass. Kicks out for 3. Off the mark. Estrella for the rebound. No look pass on the inside. Easy 2 point. And here's Kabaddu to Tadili. Tadili with pass to Kabaddu sa corner. Umatake. Pass onside. Oh, Delgado. Easy. Pass. Game pa rin tayo mga idol. Lagua. Pass to Herrera. Herrera. Herrera crossover. He drives to the rim. Bucket for 2. Herrera. Pass to the corner. Pass to the middle. Delgado. Ball is stolen. Oh, binalusot pa sa ilalim. Binitbit pa. Here's Tadili. Tadili with the ball. Di diskarte. Crossover na tapikan. Tadili. Pass to Kabaddu. Cross pass. Fix. Stops sa 3. Off the mark. Herrera for the rebound. Herrera. Nakakinta. Pumambioles. Pasok yan. Kabaddu for the inbound. He pass to Delgado. Bumangga. Offensive foul. Bumawi pero offensive. Pinasa pabalik. Bumangga. To the way. Oh, good. Fugan. Fugan. Please. Basket and 1. Fugan. Fugan. Here's Tadili. Tadili with the ball. Di diskarte. To the corner. He spins. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. And 10-point lead. Force. Sana sa 3. In and out. Rebound Tadili. Spins. Long pass. Kabaddu. Long pass on the inside. Nabitawan. Na-recover. Pinabitin. Uy. Uy, uy. Uy. For the inbound. Here's Delgado. Dumistansya. Pinasa kay number 19. He bump. He fires. Bucket for 2. And 11 points. He spins. Crossover. Oops. Iniwan. He spins. For the backdoor inbound. Pass to the middle. Number 10. Number 27. He drives. Tanda. Floater shot. Very good. Fugan. Long pass. Here you go. Iniwan. Busy bucket. Number 19 with the ball. Umatake. Pinabitin of the glass. Yes, sir. And it's number 10. To the corner. Tanda. Oops. Oops. Anspo. Ans the inbound. Lagua. Fugan. Fugan behind the back dribble. He attacks. Filipino step. Oh, bucket. Connect. And here's Kumaldag. Oh! Number 4. Using the screen. Oh, my foul pop. And here's Pascua. Cross pass. And here's Fugan. Fugan. Screen mo Kareng. Kareng pull up jumper. Off the mark. Put back. Fugan. And here's number bounce pass. He kicks out. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. And oops, ball is stolen. Crossover. Stop sa gitna. Pinasa pabalik sa 3. Off the target. Rebound. Fires off the glass. Bucket. And here's Tadili. Tadili. Aatake mula sa gitna. Hinatid. Kicks out. He drives, pinabitin, basket, eh! Yeah. Estrella. Sa loob, Estrella versus layup, too strong. And here's Tadili, Tadili sa Megway, Tadili. Pinabitin, nagsupalpal. Pinasa sa bench. Attack, side step lace, bagit for 2. Tadili, natapikan, nakuha ni Bulan. Sa gitna, stolen. Kasumigway. Stop, Busegan for 3. Off the mark. Isa pa, isa pa. Sa 3. Bang! 3 for the inbound. Here's Puggan. Puggan, spins. Uy! Bumangga, ties to the hoops. Number 19, binitbit, kinabitin of the glass, bucket, and Puggan. Herrera. Pinaliwa. Oh! What a spectacular move! And it's number 19, Lace. Easy 2. Long 3. No good. Sa 3. Wala. Tips in. Uy! That's the end of the game. Congrats.